Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can react and reply to a message on Instagram. So let's just open the application. Again, I am going to go on this section of the page, the direct messages page, and I am going to click on this message. So I'm just going to click on that, and I can double tap to like this message, or I can click on this message for a really long time and this will show up, and I can use other emojis to react to it. You can choose from a lot, and for instance, I want to use this emoji, and now it'll show up on this part. And you can also reply to this message by just clicking on it really long, and on the very bottom, as you can see, I'm just going to press on the reply tab right here, and I'm just going to say thanks. Thankies. I'm just going to press the send button right here. And now it shows that I have replied to it. Oh my gosh, my arrow is so bad. I'm so sorry. Anyways, that shows that I have replied to the message. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you haven't done this, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.